Vanitas said, Yo, a wraith. It just let me view the AI images not safe for work, even though my account is an 18 plus. Yes, yes, it did. That's how Discord works. Let's talk about it. So, first of all, I have a rule in my Discord. You glossed over it, everybody does. You're not even the only person to give me this exact same experience. In my rules, I know it's thematic, so most people don't read it, but we're only open to those who are 18 plus. Let's leave that right there. You said that in the AI not safe for work, it let you in. When I edit the channel, the age restriction is turned on. I have another channel that is like this. The age restriction is turned on. How age restriction works in Discord is I have the age restriction turned on, but it doesn't hide the channel from accounts that are younger than 18. It just puts that content behind a warning screen asking if you're over 18. If you click yes, then yeah, you can enter. This Discord server isn't designed for people who are younger than 18. There are ways that you can put like age verification on, but my general audience tends to be older than 18. I'm not going to make everybody jump through a hoop just so they can do stuff on my Discord. It makes more sense that people who are younger than 18, if you're going to join, should moderate yourselves or just follow the rules.